Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
कितें म्हणले ते
म्हणून सांगले
येवंक ना म्हणून
तुका केन्नातून पैसे येवंक ना तुका आतां कितले महिने तुकाय 3 महिने जाले
2 महिने
ना आतां तेंच्यांनी कितें सांगलां तुका कित्याक येवंक ना म्हणून पयशे
म्हणून सांगलं कित्याक सांगला
येऊन ना पैसे येऊन ना 3 महिने
3 महिन्याचे पैसे येवंक ना कितें तुमकां आतां कितें नोटीस बिटीस आयला
ना
कितें
काय येऊन ना
सो तुम्ही डायरेक्ट कित्याक अप्रोच केला आतां कित्या खातीर डायरेक्ट आयला तुमी आतां तुमकां कोणी लेटर बिटर धाडला
बँकेन सांगले आमकां तुम्ही वॉच करून सांगले
ओके 3 महिन्यातून तुमकां पैसे
पैसे
येवंक
येऊन
ना
ना तिका येऊन
पैसे येवंक ना केन्नातून पैसे येवंक ना तुका
3 महिने तो महिना लागला
तो 14 महिना ओके तुमकां कितें लेटर बिटर आयला अशें कितें
ना
काय ना
काय सांगू ना
काय सांगूंक ना कित्या खातीर पैसे येवंक ना ते काय सांगूंक ना तुमकां
ना
There are 30,500 odd notices which are being sent to the beneficiaries for further clarification, and there are around 2,300 people beneficiaries जिसका pension has been stopped from February. The major reason for this is that department does not have the complete data of these persons. Department has tried to get in touch with them vigorously through our field assistant, through the jail, but we have not got any response. So through the government administrative approval, we have stopped the pension of these 2,300 people. And if they approach us with the relevant documents, that is their Aadhaar card, their address proof, their contact details, their life certificates, we will send our persons for survey, and if the case is found genuine, their case will again be restarted with the areas from when it was being stopped. So we are really doubtful whether the said cases exist in Goa or not. For Dayanand Social Security, there are approximately 1,36,000 people per month who get it. Now February's pension, the DSS pension, everybody has got. March ka till tomorrow everybody will get. Accounts has cleared our bills.